Have a good day everyone. Today we will see how to create another 3D Teapoy design in AutoCAD. Okay, let's see. Drawing units, you and enter. Length type decimal, precision 0. Insertion scale set millimeters. Okay. Go workspace. Tick 3D modeling. Okay, now go rectangle, enter. First corner point, dimension D, enter. 80, enter. 15, enter. Click here. Okay, copy, CO, enter. Select object, base point 385, enter. Exit. Okay, more M, enter. Now go view control, select SW isometric, extrude, select, enter. Extrude height 485, enter. Okay, go coordinates, select front. Okay, go rectangle, enter. First corner point, dimension D, enter. 80, enter. 15, enter. Okay, click here. Now go extrude, select object, enter. Extrude height 400, enter. Okay, now go view control, select top, coordinates, select view, mirror MI, enter. Select object, enter. Type from, enter. Click here. Offset 375, enter. Click here, enter. Okay, now go view control, select SW isometric, go coordinates, click here, select face, accept, rectangle, enter. First corner point, dimension D, enter. 15, enter. 80, enter. Click here, go extrude, select object, enter. Extrude height 370, enter. Okay, go coordinate, click here, select face, accept, rectangle, enter. First corner point, other corner point, click here. Okay, go extrude, select object, enter. Extrude height 6 millimeter, enter. Okay, go coordinates, click here, select face, click face, accept, rectangle, enter. First corner point, dimension D, enter. 15, enter. 89, enter. Okay, click here, extrude, select object, enter. Click here. Okay, no issue. Go world coordinate. Okay, view control, select SW isometric. Now go mirror MI, enter. Select object, enter, press shift key and right click, meet between 2 points, click here, first point, click second point, mirror line, click here, enter, OK, repeat mirror, select object, enter, press shift key and right click, meet between 2 points, click first point, click second point, OK, mirror line, click here, enter, OK, go rectangle, enter, first corner point, other corner point, click here, go extrude, select object, enter, extrude height 15 mm, enter, move and enter, select object, move height 50, enter, OK, go visual style control, select shade, okay, let's see, there is a gap, visual style control, shade with edge, go move and enter, select object, click here, OK, repeat move, select object, base point, click here, OK, now no issue, view control, SW isometric, OK, visual style control, 2D wireframe, now go material browser, right click here, select duplicate, edit, click here, image, click here, Sunmica, open, click here, scale, sample size 500, OK, close, right click, select duplicate, click here, size 600, rotation angle 90, OK, close, go visual style control, realistic, select, right click, assign to selection, OK, realistic, 2D wireframe, select, right click, assign to selection, OK, select object, select, right click, global 2, assign to selection, OK, right click, duplicate, edit, click here, sample size 750, OK, close, select object, right click, assign to selection, OK, visual style control, realistic, select object, right click, global 1, assign to selection, OK, no issue, now go AutoCAD library, select glass, select dark bronze, drag and drop here. Okay, go material library, select flooring, bubble pattern, select, drag and drop. Okay, select object, right click, assign to selection. Okay, let's see. Okay, view control, SW isometric, view control, select top, realistic, change to 2D wireframe, exit from material live browser, zoom out, plane surface, okay, view control, SW isometric, material browser, select plane, pattern 3, select, visual style control, realistic. Okay, right click here, perspective, zoom, set enter. Okay, now go visualize, go render environment, turn on environment, use custom background tick, solid select, click here. Okay, close, go render size, full HD TV. Okay, no shadows. Okay, render. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.